Guys, she can't pass a dumpster that she doesn't look into it. It's like her own little personal Walmart now.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning everything. Binalok itong sinina kasi ayaw kong labhan. But anyway, good morning mga ka-everything. Sa mga dumpster diver lover dyan dito sa channel ko. Pasensya na kayo guys ha. Nahalata ako na dahil sa content ko na yung buhay ko and then naging napunta sa diving. Kasi may mga taong, you know, like ayaw na ng content ko, gusto na nila yung dumpster dive. So, kasi itong channel na ito is, ano siya, yung realidad ng buhay ko dito, kung anong mga nangyayari. So, ngayon guys, naliligo si Tami, and then andito ako sa office. I-continue ko lang yung editing ko. Hindi ko natapos nag-edit guys, kasi andito si Habs kanina. Dito siya kanina. And, punta po kami sa kailangan ko na ng bagong cellphone. Kasi po guys, I don't really wanna let go with this phone. This is iPhone 7 Plus. Maganda pa siya guys. Pero ayaw ko siyang bitawan. Kasi yung talagang, ito yung phone na parang hindi siya pwedeng i-replace ba? Hindi siya pwedeng bibili pa ako ng bago para maano. Kasi guys, dahil sa content ko, at as you can see, if you follow my Facebook, nagla-live ako palagi. Hindi man, twice a day or once a day, nagla-live ako. And then, gumagawa ako ng Reels video. So, yun. Kung nakapalo ka sa Facebook, kung punta kayo sa Facebook din kung gusto nyong updated yung buhay, kung anong ganap sa buhay ko, punta kayo sa Facebook, MaryAnn Reality TV. Yun, MaryAnn Reality TV. The same thing lang yung name sa channel, guys. And also, kung gusto nyong updated, andun ako palagi. Doon ako nagre-reels, mga, yung mga fun video. So, yun, sumasayaw, pati si Tami na pasayaw. So, tignan nyo lang doon, guys. Reels video natin yun. And, so yun. Itong battery na to, balik tayo sa cellphone. Itong battery is palagi siyang namamatay. And then, every time na mag-live ako sa labas, palagi ko siyang ino-off agad. Hindi ako magtagal kasi po sa battery nito. As in, naka-charge siya kanina, mga 68. Diba? Kanina 68, naging 33. Kasi nag-video lang ako, ganon. Binibidyohan ko si Roxy, ganon. Para sa Reels. And yun. And yun siya guys, na ano siya, na madali siyang malubat. So, kaya nagdesisyon ako na gusto kong bumili. Pero guys, yung phone na yung bagong phone na kukunin ko siya guys is for work. I mean like working, like it's a work thing. It's like for my content. Yun siya. Pero of course, ginagamit ko siya. Pero mostly talaga sa content. So, hindi ako.
Oh, ito na. Nag-voice over lang ako, guys. Kasi, alam nyo na, voice over is life. Parang maganda naman mag-voice over. Paminsan lang nakakapagod. Pero, yun, pagkatapos kong mag-edit at kailangan kong mag-voice over, dyan ako sa office. At saka, yun guys, para akong baliw, nagsasalitang parang baliw talaga, guys, pag mag-voice over. Baliw-baliwan ka. But anyway, guys, so yan. Pagkatapos nito, aalis lang kami kasi alam nyo na, bibili tayo ng phone and hopefully, meron tayong makitang phone na gusto ko.
Hello guys, so busog na busog ako guys. I'm really full. I eat too much lumpia. Grabe. I eat too much lumpia guys. So, let's go. Hindi pa pala ako nag-sit daw. So, ano ng oras? Late na guys. Well, actually, we're not in a rush. We don't have a appointment or something. We are heading to Spectrum to look if they have the phone. So dito kami guys, naghanap. Ito yung phone na kukunin ko. Hold on, let me see. What is that? This one right here. Ito siya. Pero gold. And now I got two phones.
Yeah, I'm taking one phone and back it up.
Yeah, I can use it with my other if I do live. Hala, this is all big, honey. Why you say this is same?
It's the same size as the phone.
Really?
The phone is the same size. Look at it.
Yeah, the screen is more bigger though.
The screen's bigger because you don't have this white on top, white on the bottom.
All right.
But the phone is the same size. Why? Same size.
No, it's scary to drop.
Yeah, well.
New iPhone, guys. Finally, I got a new phone. Thank you, love. Anyway guys, kararating ko lang. Yan, bumili ako ng case, you know, kasi to protect the phone because I always drop the phone guys lately. I usually really good with phone, but lately I just keep dropping it. So, you get your case. It's good, right?
Yeah, you still got the thing on it.
Screen.
You gotta get a camera protector too.
Do they have a camera?
Yeah, it
player?
comes with that.
Okay, so, okay.
We'll have to order it.
So they don't have creamer. We're good with that for now, honey. Let's go home. Guys, look at 4 of them, guys. This is what happened when you have pets, starving, starving. Starvation is real. While Dada is cooking, this is what happened in the kitchen. When Dada is cooking, everybody's on the move. Especially this spoiled one. Spoiled. What do you mean? Microwave?
Just throw them out more.
Yeah, but don't overdo it. Microwave make it more tough. Hi guys, so Tammy is going to make some seafood salad, which is our favorite. I love seafood salad. It's not kinilaw guys, it's different. This one is mixed with squid, mussel, clams, squicole. What?
No octopus, no.
Huh?
No octopus.
Yeah, octopus, supposedly Tammy, the octopus is really good guys. Oh my god. But it's cooked guys. You have to boil them. And then, like, make it like a salad guys. And then we have to do this like a celery. We don't have bell pepper. Bell pepper is, hala. You're not cooking that?
Onions.
You're not cooking that?
Did I just tell you it was cooked? I showed you the label says it's cooked, fully cooked. Cooked.
Can we rewash it, hon?
Yes, cooked and cleaned.
What else, love? That's all you need, right? We don't have bell pepper.
Onions.
Bell pepper is good with that. No, every time she see food, is starving. Yeah, you need to do that because of the... Oh.
Oh God.
You don't have to
Lemon,
let it be.
vinegar,
Let it be like that.
little oil, some seasonings,
I know, Tommy. No, look,
onion.
I have to pay attention with this guy when it's cooking time because...
Who will be cooking this stuff?
Me, I help you.
Celery? Okay, we got celery.
I
You
help
use
you.
lemon, not lime. That's your last lime. Save it.
That's the lime, huh?
Yeah, but we always use lemon. We don't use lime. So.
No, I always use lime. Oh my god. The lime is better than lemon. Ito na yung salad na gawa ni Tammy kasi ayaw niya yung... Kasi may paniniwala kasi siya na ano. Yun alam niyo na. Ayaw niya kumain ng meat sa Friday. O, diba?
It's good every day, but it's not bad every day.
It's good every day. Seafood is crazy, love.
Yeah.
Masarap. Dinagdagan ko kasi siya ng ano, guys. So, kang pinakurat. At saka lime. Kain. Kain po. Yeah, I know, but I can go forward. Anyway guys, andito kami. Nagpunta kami guys, napalabas kami sa bahay kasi ano, lumabas kami sa bahay. Hello guys, kumusta mi amigos? And then andito tayo sa ano, meron lang kaming titignan dito guys. Bibili kami ng pruner, honey.
Yeah.
Seriously guys.
Pruning shears.
Yeah, pruning shears, whatever. So we're going here. Pruning shears. And what else Tamimoy? Oh, there's a lot of people here. Traffic guys, traffic. So let's see. We're going to Harbor Freight, and this is where I'm going to dive. I always go diving here. But guys, alam niyo ba guys, dahil magpunta si Tammy sa ano, Harbor Freight, look at him, he's eating. Say hi, love.
Hi guys.
He's having snacky. Ay, nako, maganda yung panahon. Mag-gardening ang sana ako guys. Ang dami talagang tao diri pag daytime guys. O kaya hindi ako makapag-dive guys dito. Every daytime. Kasi tignan nyo naman ang daming tai guys. So yun, ang daming tai. Dito ako. Can you go over there walk? Okay, right here, there's a lot of people. So, look, tignan nyo guys.
Kaya wala akong maanuhan kasi... Ha? Ha? Okay, only that, ha? Itong ano natin. I-close natin. Open natin yung window. Like that, a little bit. And then yan. Yan, punta siya. Every time talaga, hindi man ako talaga sasama palagi, guys. Ayaw kong sumama kasi puro tools, guys. Hindi nakakaano sa mata yung parang nakakairita ba. At lalo na kapag kasama mo siya, parang ang tagal. Ang daming tools niya, pero titingin pa yan niya kung anong wala sa kanya. Pero for sure, meron na halos lahat. Except sa mga malalaking tools. May malaking tools din yan. So, chichirya. Tignan natin yung Burlington. Pagkatapos dito, kung anong meron sila. So, samahan nyo ako guys sa pag quick dive. Sana hindi tayo makita ng tao. Sana hindi tayo sitahin. Sana meron tayong makuha kahit konti lang, di ba? Yan.
You want me to get out and film you or just film me through the window?
No, why this one it won't flip? It won't flip, you won't see the camera. Okay guys, you can see Tommy filming me, okay? Is this people here?
I do not know. I'm not.
Can you see who film?
Guys, she can't pass a dumpster guys. She doesn't look into it. It's like her own little personal Walmart now. Or in the Philippines, it's our own little personal S&M. SM? Is that it? SM?
SM? Okay.
SM mall? Is that everything?
Anyway, so hinihintay ko lang siya and then nag-dive tayo sandali doon sa sa isang tindahan. Nag-dive kami kagabi and then may nakuha kami doon and then kung anong andon, same lang, walang nadagdag, walang tinapon na basura na dagdag. So ngayon andito sa ShopRite, meron isang malapit dito, so puntahan din namin. Okay guys, mabilisang tingin. Tingnan natin kung may laman. Let's see. Sim lang kahapon. Look, sim lang. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Sim lang yung laman.
That was really fast.
Yeah, it's the same thing from yesterday. Because it's daytime.
They're out here starving in the daytime too.
Oh my god, that makes me really feel bad.
Well, that's why I look for them.
So I guess we don't get anything from the garbage. It's the same thing last night kasi wala silang mga tinapon. So, and tonight maybe we're just gonna go. No, I'm not even gonna bother. So that's really it. Okay, we're going home guys. We are heading home. Hi guys! So guys, nakalimutan kong i-in ang vlog na ito. Wala tayong nakuha kasi alam nyo naman kapag daytime talaga madalian yung hindi na ako sanay mag-dive sa pag daytime. Magandang mag-dumpster dive kapag gabi kasi alam mo talagang madilim, wala masyadong tao nang nagsha-shopping. So, area naman doon talaga ako na area. But anyway, so nakalimutan kong i-end itong vlog. So, yun, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys sa susunod na video. Bye guys! Thank you so much! Bye!